Heartbreaking. A visitor accidentally shatters Jeff Koons' balloon dog sculpture at Art Wynwood. Oh, no. Well,
do you know the iconic balloon dog?
I don't know the iconic balloon dog, but I don't really think I need to understand the pain here.
Yeah.
Because any art gallery, I smash. Oh, I know this balloon dog.
Yeah, you probably know.
Yeah, is this like the only balloon dog?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Very iconic. It's made out of like a really shattery material.
Okay, but here's the thing
glass.
I don't understand, all right? That balloon dog is $57,000. There's a big balloon dog over there's $120,000. I feel like people are just making these balloon dogs anyway.
$100,000.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, I feel like people are just going to make these balloon dogs.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I guess the original, which is traceable, got shattered.
The original balloon dog is gone?
Yeah, the bluish one.
Let's see here. The artist Jeff Koons' famous sculptures might look like they're made from balloons, but the works are actually fragile. As one art fair attendee found out when she knocked over a $42,000 Koons piece Thursday. A blue balloon dog sculpture created by Koons broke into tiny shards when a visitor accidentally kicked its podium, according to the gallery hosting the piece. Displaying the piece at an art fair in Miami. In a statement shared with CNN over email, the gallery's district manager, who was managing the booth, told CNN that the gallery serves as one of the official representatives for the famous Jeff Koons balloon dog sculptures. Of course, it's heartbreaking. He said the piece fell over after an unnamed art collector visiting the booth unintentionally kicked the pedestal. That should be, well...
They were having an opening cocktail hour.
Well, I'm in pain. I'm in pain, Will.
But why would you have an open cocktail hour in a very fragile place, like an art gallery?
The podium.
Like where things are not like,
kick the podium. It's just standing on the podium. You need a strong podium. You know what? I don't know. Maybe this is art. Maybe the shattered balloon dog is art because a balloon is supposed to float away.
Yeah.
But it seems like it could have.
Sells for $100,000.
You can mitigate this. Well, it was. Remember, Banksy had to make the comment on it with the self-destructing image. The auction sells.
Now it's worth more.
It gets shredded, but it only gets shredded half. So you can still hang it. You'd be like, it's half shredded.
Yeah.
It was nearly destroyed.
It was his plan all along. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at
they're just exposed.
Yeah. There's no.
Oh, here we go. It was $799. They created $799. Okay. It's still worth a lot of money, $42,000, but there are $799, not one.
Oh. Okay.
It's different, right?
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah, that's different. I'm not as stressed. I'm like, well, $798, 50 G's each. It's not like Mona Lisa or something.
All right, fine.
It's not like someone pissing on the Mona Lisa. They won't even show you that. That thing's like behind like 20 locks. They're like, they'll show you the replica or whatever.
Yeah.
Things behind 20 locks.